Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management, DEM, a centralized solution enabling law enforcement agencies to store, manage, share, and analyze ever-increasing digital evidence collected from documents, images, bodycam, dashcams, CCTV and drones. VIDIZMO DEM allows you to customize your portal to suit your unique brand image and identity. In this video, we will be taking a look at customizing portal colors and aesthetics in VIDIZMO DEM. You can upload your portal's logo, change its background color, and background image to reflect your brand and corporate color scheme. To custom style your portal, click on the hamburger icon on the top left corner of the top menu bar and select Portal Settings under Admin. Expand the Branding tab, and select Customize from the menu. On your right-hand side, you'll see three sections: Global, Background, and Custom CSS. The Global section allows you to upload thumbnail, and set up portal headers color that goes with your corporate logo and color scheme. The Background sections let you choose the portal's background image and background color. It helps you create a visually engaging experience for users by portraying your corporate theme. In the Custom CSS section, you can write the custom CSS to change the colors and styling of various elements of the user interface through the Sass template. Once you're done customizing your portal's aesthetics, click Update to save your changes. VIDIZMO allows you to use the white label option to customize the platform with your brand, logo, and color scheme, allowing users to associate your service with your corporate identity. Click on the white label tab below Customize and choose File to upload your portal Favicon. VIDIZMO supports ICO files in white label. Once you have successfully uploaded your Favicon, click on Update to save your changes. The updated portal Favicon will appear on your Web Pages tab and address bar. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. Stay tuned until next time.